Healthier lifestyles, lower healthcare costs, increased productivity, personalized health coaching, dedicated staff support, group wellness challenges. These are just a few of the benefits of FLC Hometown Health, a customized employee wellness solution to help employees make healthier lifestyle choices and to save money on healthcare coverage.
FLC Hometown Health is a unique workplace wellness program that you will not find anywhere else. In addition to free annual on-site biometric screenings, participants will also receive a free online health assessment, free telephone sessions with a health coach, and Visa gift card rewards.
With the biometric screening, they actually came out to us, which was really great because I didn't have to make that doctor's appointment. All I had to do is walk down the hall, get my screenings done. So that for me was really, really great.
Our wellness coordinator, Lindsay Fisher, brought us the Wellness Workplace Planner, which laid out the program in a simple turnkey format. She was here for us every step of the way. We've already seen an improvement in employee health, fewer sick days, and more camaraderie.
One thing about being a champion for the Hometown Health is word of mouth, getting other people involved, getting other people excited.
I'm Lindsay Fisher,
I'm Gwen Knight, and I believe in healthy communities.
and a healthy community starts with you.
Contact me to learn more about FLC Hometown Health and how it can help you and your employees stay on the path to wellness.